So construction champions should know that what made you start? What pushed you to that point? And then realizing that what is it going to cost me? I think we have to think back to that. I think we've all seen the slogan, right? If you die today, your job would be replaceable in 48 hours. It's the kids that would miss you, your family, right? That's the thing you have to keep in the back of your head. Not if you're going to die, but more like, is this going to take over my life? If you listen to all the noise out there, all the social media platforms, all the big stuff everyone's doing, and they're doing is saying success, success, success. Well, don't define it by their success. Define your own success. Write your own book. Put yourself on your own path. Get where you need to go, not because you're trying to make a difference in the whole entire world, but because you're trying to make a difference one person at a time,
Mm.
right? That's how it happens. And this burnout that comes is it's prevalent